بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. أما بعد, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today we want to look at the second example of Gunna in practical recitation of the glorious Quran, because I found out that in the previous example that I gave, there are no much mimun with shadda and nunu with shadda in the examples that I gave. So I want to pick another surah from this particular page that you are looking at. Then I will highlight the examples. You see it in practice. Then I will give you the remaining surah in this particular page to do or to play around with. And then with that, we may have rounded up the aspect of Gunna that has to do with practicals. So in the subsequent lesson, we may go deep into the theoretical names given to each occurrences, or probably before that, exceptional cases of where you are seeing Gunna that you have to apply or you will not apply it. So that will probably be in the subsequent lesson, inshallah. So I'm going to take Suorotu Takaathur as an example. Therein Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألهاكم التكاثر حتى زرتم المقابر كلا سوف تعلمون ثم كلا سوف تعلمون. Now, yeah, ثم, you hold the lips together and you bring out gunna from your nose. And while you are holding the lips together, don't make it excessive. Natural closing, and then you are not to recite and say summa kalla sawfa or summa kalla sawfa ta'lamun. You have to wait for some seconds and then you bring out gunna from your nose. كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين لترون الجحيم. So you can sing for none with shadda here. Okay, let me highlight it. لترون الجحيم. Okay, I think this is not what I want to pick. I want to pick this. Okay, I want a color that is not too. So لترون الجحيم, then this summa at the top. ثم لترونها عين اليقين, two places there. ثم, these places of ثم, then لترونها عين اليقين ثم so this is another place there. ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن this is another place here. عن النعيم. So in all these places in this particular surah, you are expected to do what? To perform gunna, as I've highlighted and as I've shown. Then you should underline or do the one for Suorotu Al-Qari'ah, practice with it in practice, and then in written or in terms of you highlighting the way I've highlighted, you also need to practice with it and then you send it to me. So this is gunna for you in practice. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you the best understanding of it and make it easy for you to implement, and reward us all abundant of the learning. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.